Hello guys. Welcome back. Have you tried the latest updates on Windows 10? Have you got any issues while installing them? Like we couldn't complete your update, undoing changes kind of message? Well, I have suffered many weeks with that issue. I have tried many methods and finally, I find a solution. This issue occurs because of any corrupted files in the Windows installation. So, I tried replacing the Windows files without formatting or losing any files or apps and it worked. Let's see how it's done. Follow me. Here, select the correct bit rate of your computer. If you select both, you will download a large file without no use. Select a place to save the ISO file. Now the Windows ISO file will download to your computer. I will not download this now as I have already downloaded the file. Here is it. My setup has detected new updates as I have downloaded it a few weeks ago and it will automatically restart the setup. You won't get this because you will download the latest version at the moment of installation. Alright. We have come to the very important part of this quest. You must be very careful when selecting the options here. Please follow me. Otherwise, you will end up losing your apps and data. And when you click on the next button, the installation will begin. It will take some time depending on your PC performance. Your PC will restart several times during the installation. I'm not going to that step because I have already installed the updates. Well, that's all guys. I hope you will find this video helpful with your updates issue. If so, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment below for any issues. Thank you.